So just like I promised, I'm at the beach, getting ready for a slow motion sunrise. The beach really is a beautiful place to be. I love coming to the beach in the mornings to collect shells, and I got some pretty large ones. I'll show you when I get home. Best time to come collect some shells is the morning like this, before anybody else gets there. I hate walking in this soft sand. Makes it very difficult to walk. That sunrise was beautiful this morning. I'm headed home, get some breakfast. I'll be back later for some swimming. Can you see this? Got a couple of woodpeckers outside my window. I'm so lazy when it comes to laundry. Started this laundry about 8 a.m. this morning. I only had 2 loads. But now it's like 6 p.m. You guys can't really see me here, it's dark. Let's try this. But yeah, it's not that I don't like doing laundry, I'm just lazy about it. Especially when I don't have that much to do. Look at all the shells I got this morning. Also got some of these whole ones. I like collecting shells, so does my roommate. Unfortunately, my roommate went up to Atlanta this weekend. He's going to be back sometime after midnight, so he'll get his prize tomorrow. Yeah, he collects shells. He likes to like clean them up, polish them, and then make little crafts out of them. It's really kind of cool, but he hasn't been able to go to the beach in probably 6 or 7 weeks. And we kind of have this competition going right now. See who can get the most tan by the end of the summer. And he's way behind. But since he can't go, I decided to collect all these shells so he wouldn't miss out. I hope he appreciates them. And you're going to see my roommate in upcoming vlogs. He has agreed to let me tape some of the funny stuff that we do. So that's kind of cool. You'll get to meet him. His name's Billy, by the way. Yeah. Hello. It's really kind of cool. You can actually hear the ocean. Food. Food. You know, if you live in Jacksonville, Florida, you definitely can't live here without having a vehicle. The transportation system sucks. Buses, if you get on a bus here to go, 15 miles away, the bus from here will take you downtown, then you gotta switch to another bus, and then it'll take you like halfway to your destination, you gotta switch to another bus. It's just ridiculous. So if you live here, you definitely need a vehicle. Still says it's over 90 degrees here. So it's the end of another beautiful day, and oh my god, I'm such a cup hoarder. Actually a dish hoarder. Got a bowl over here. I've got some silverware somewhere in here too. I really need to clean up my room. It's a mess. Yeah. Yeah, it's the end of a day. Back to work tomorrow. Wish I didn't have to work. But, hey, money coming in is good money. But yeah, I sit here. It's about 10:15, 10:16 p.m. You can't really hear it, but the bugs are going crazy outside. Bugs and animals. Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and finish editing the video, get it posted, and get some rest. Kinda tired. So, yeah. Okay then, bye-bye now.